My name is John Paoluccio, mechanical engineering graduate from UOP. I'm the kind of guy that was very hands-on in school. I always enjoyed taking things apart, working on projects, entering competitions, and really creating things from scratch. I enjoy building things. I like basically creating new projects. Some of my strengths are I've always been very creative. I've always liked to take projects apart, understand how they work, and be able to put them back together and maybe alter the way they work. And my favorite philosophy, I have two favorite philosophies. Throw the first pancake away and stand on the shoulders of giants. And all the inventions and projects I've always worked on, I've always taken something apart and really never really designed something from scratch. I'm always using parts of different appliances and mechanisms to create something new. A few years ago, I actually started a company called Inventive Resources Incorporated, and that's where we meet with inventors. We go over their products. I'll create patent drawings, and I'll work with an attorney to write, patent applications, and I'll actually help inventors take their product to market. And by doing that, you're able to go through the whole engineering plan and teach people how to bring their product to market. So that's what I really enjoy doing. Most recently, some of the inventions that I've come up with and working with a few different companies is a biometric wall vault, a filtration systems for storm drains, a new picture light that will use LEDs and be able to bolt to the wall and light up picture frames. One of the most recent projects I worked on was a robotic cave exploring robot that was able to explore Mercer Caverns, and it's on display there at the caves. I'm also an inventor, and this is one of the products I worked on, and this is called a biometric wall vault. And turn it on by putting your finger on the sensor. The door drops down, and this is for hidden storage. It has a shelf underneath to hide maybe passport, money, keys, jewelry, and it's designed to protect kids from accessing weapons. And this mounts right into a wall, into between the studs. You can see it's stainless steel construction. And this is one of the first projects I got to work on with a company. Energy Technology Laboratories is which I work for now. I think the best experience I've had is while inventing is when I take things apart, I really get a sense of how things work and how to make things simple. And I think that's really helped me be a better creator, is allowing me to understand the way things work and standing on the shoulders of giants and copying something that exists but modifying it. And that's what I do with all my products. I'm always keeping it simple. The reason I chose mechanical engineering is because I've always had a love for taking things apart and understanding how things work. And that has really led to a profitable career for myself. I'm currently working for 4 companies now that pay me to invent, basically. And it's been a great career for me, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. One thing I'm really glad I did while I was at UOP was enter the competitions. Every year there's competitions for civil, mechanical, electrical, and I always made it very important to enter those competitions, and I learned a great deal of teamwork and working together and getting a lot of minds focused on the same idea and learning how different people work together and completing the same task. And the satisfaction of going to the competitions, whether it be in Singapore or Hawaii, was a great benefit. If you're the kind of person that loves to take things apart, be creative, invent, then engineering is a career for you.